Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video we are learning about inheritance, the same thing but method chaining. That is one of the function that will help you in that inheritance and object oriented programming in your classes and object. So let's begin. Let's start by beginning, like let's create one class.drive, no, class.car. This is the simple syntax. I think you might know how to create class. Now let's create define drive, and with print I am driving. Now let's create one more define where seat belt self, sorry, that's the syntax, where seat belt print I am wearing seat belt. As we start driving, so we need to wear seat belts. That's just the basic. Now let's create one more function, def stop. Now brake. Now like print I'm braking. Now let's create an object class, no, core, just for the simple name, and we have created one object for core. Now what if we want to call all those functions together? That is all that is done by food chaining. Now I will show you how to call all the function all together, together sequentially. Now what if we want to car dot brake, car dot wear seat belt. before we used to do by calling one by one, but I will teach you one method, that is food chaining. In that function you can create, or you can call all the functions sequentially, so that you don't have to type again and again. That will make your code easier and look good. So for that you need to write one code, return self, like we have to return self. So return self in all those functions, return self. Now let's try, and the basic syntax is to call all those functions is, after we have created first function break. Now where seatbelt, let's call, and drive we have called all together. Now let's see what we will get the output. Now see, we are getting the output, like we have called all those functions in one line. That is all food chaining. Now you can do like wait, like you can make your code cleaner also by showing this it. If you do this, then your code will look good. Now let's try. Yeah, this is just to make your code good, but it doesn't matter, so it's your choice. But this function is useful, so you can use while calling all those functions all together. And what if you want to call, like you can call anything at first, like you can call drive function at first. That doesn't matter. Drive and then dot where drive dot where seatbelt, like that. Like it is showing error. Let me just check this. Drive dot where seatbelt dot brake. Yeah, and then yeah, you can call anything at first. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So for chaining is the matter of calling sequentially, like each all each call perform an action the same object and return self. The basic thing you need to know in food chaining is that you need to return self in all those functions. Like return will have to process the code and have to return overhead. That is the simple. So thanks, that is all for